Hi friends, I am Sagar. Today I am discussion about Avatar movie behind the scenes. This directed and written by produced by James Sampson and distribution 20th Century Fox. Released in December 10, 2009 in London. Running time 162 minutes. Language English. Budget $237 million. Box office collection is $2.923 billion. The development of Avatar began in 1994 when James Cameron wrote an 80-page treatment for the film. Filming was supposed to take place after the completion of Cameron's 1987 film Titanic for the planned release in 1999. However, according to the Cameron, the necessary technology was not yet available to achieve his vision of the film. Work on the language of the Navy began in 2005 and Cameron began development of the screenplay and fictional universe. In early 2006, Avatar was officially budgeted at $237 million. Due to a groundbreaking array of new visual effects Cameron achieved in cooperation with Vita Digital in Wellington, other estimates put the cost between $280 million and $310 million for the production and at $150 million for promotion. The film made extensive use of motion capture filming techniques and was used for traditional viewing, 3D viewing, Real D 3D, Dolby 3D, Expand D 3D and IMAX 3D formats, and 4D experience is selected South Korean theater. Avatar premiered in London on December 10, 2019 and was released in the United States on December 18. Positive review with critics highly praising in groundbreaking visual effects during its theatrical run. The film broke several box office records and became the highest grossing film at time, as well as the United States and Canada, surpassing Cameron's Titanic, which had held those records for the 12 years. Avatar remained the highest grossing film in the world. For nearly decade until it was overtaken by the Avengers Endgame in 2019, but Chinese re-release of Avatar led to film retaining the worldwide top spot in March 2021, where it has been ever since. The worldwide top spot in March 2021, when it has been ever since. Adjusted for the inflation, Avatar is the second highest grossing movie of the all time, after Gone with the Wind, with a total of more than $3 billion. It has also become the first film to gross more than $2 million, and the best-selling video title of 2010 in the United States. Avatar was nominated for the 9 Academy Awards, including the Best Picture and Best Director, and won 3 for the Best Art Direction, Best Cinematography, Best Visual Effect. The success of the film also led to electronics manufacturers released in 3D televisions and caused 3D films to increase in popularity. Following the film's success, Cameron signed with 20th Century Fox produced for sequels. Avatar The Way of Water and Avatar 3 have completed principal filming released in 2022 and 2024 respectively. Subsequently, sequels are scheduled to be released in 2026 and in 2028. Several cast members are expected to return, including the Ethan Gordon, Sheldon Lang, and Weaver. Comes the story. In 2154, the natural resources of the earth haven't been depleted. The resource development admissions mines the valuable mineral and batanium or Pondor, a more moon in the Alpha Centauri star system. Pandora, whose atmosphere is mostly gaseous, inhabited in Navy, 10-foot tall, 3.0-meter blue-skinned, sapient humanoid that live in harmony with nature. To explore the Pandora, genetically method human scientists use Navy human hybrids called avatars. Paraplegic Marine Jack Suri is sent to Pandora to replace his deceased identical twin who had signed up to the Avatar Avatar program. Here, Dr. Grace Agustins considers Suri inadequate, but the asserts him his bodyguard. Phil escorting the avatars of the grass and Dr. Norm Spellman Jack avatars attached by the Pandron wildlife, and he flees into the forest where he is recruited by female Navy Naya 3. Sam, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video.